Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be trying to install a tow strap on my RSX for the front. So I already have the bumper off from trying to mock up the front splitter. So bumper is already off. This is how it's looking. I am just in the process of waiting for my chassis mount to come in. Ordered it about 3 weeks ago, but it's not gonna be shipped out till next Monday, so hopefully I'll get that in soon so I can start putting this thing on for good, because right now I'm just waiting on those chassis mounts before I can go any further. But this is how it sits. So yeah, I'll be taking this mock-up off and then attempting to install my tow strap. The one I got is Sparkle. So here it is. I'm surprised it didn't come with any hardware, bolts or any of that stuff, so I'll have to try to find some. But that's the tow strap, so I guess we'll go from there. I just gotta get the splitter off. Alright, so as you guys saw that, took the splitter off, so now we have more room. And this is the front crash beam or bumper beam up here. So from what I was seeing other people were doing was they're just drilling a hole down here by the bumper beam, and this is where a lot of people have been mounting their tow strap. So I think I'm gonna go with what everybody's doing and mount it in the same spot. I was trying to see if I could find an actual point where we can mount it on the RSX, but I haven't officially found the the actual point where you can mount it. I don't even think the RSX comes with a mounting point. So a lot of people have been saying that this should be strong enough to pull from, so I guess I'm just gonna mount it there. So I guess we'll go from there. Alright, so I found my spot pretty much right there. I have a couple black dots there, but it's actually this one right here. So pretty much go, what I did was I went from this end here right underneath here, that part, pretty much that part there, all the way to where my line is about a good foot in. So that's where I'm gonna put mine, and I already got a center punch, so I'm gonna start drilling. No turning back now, I guess, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, so got the hole all drilled out. This is a 1/2-inch bolt and it fits in there just perfectly. So yeah, it took a while, but if you have the right drill bits, it'll be pretty simple. So got it in there, nice and pretty. So shaving them. So I went to Ace hardware store because, like I said, they didn't supply any hardware. So I went and got some hardware. So this is a 1/2-inch bolt, about an inch deep. This is 1.25 inches. So I bought 2 of those just to see which one works better. Then I bought the nut, the nylon stopping thing in there, the washer, then 2 of these. So all this was about like $2, and then I also bought this little bracket. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but if I am, I'm just going to drill a hole, and then pretty much just going to drill a hole right in the center. Bolt's gonna sit in between that cross beam or that crash beam, right in that gap there, just for extra support. So that's it. So since we exposed the metal down here, I'm just gonna touch it up with some touch-up paint. And this is the touch-up paint that I'm using. I got this off Automotive Touch-Up. So just gonna dab a little bit in there. It's not the prettiest, but as long as it's got some kind of coating on there. Alright, so I think I am going to use this plate just for extra support. Again, I got this off at the Ace hardware store, but it's just a metal plate, about 1/4 inch thick. So that's where my marking is. It just happens to fit perfectly in there because it's got a divider in there, and for some reason this thing just fits perfect. So got that hole mark. I'm just gonna drill it. Alright, we got it all drilled out. Fits perfectly. So now I think we're done with all the drilling. Now we should just be able to mount everything up. Alright, so here's what I'm talking about with the plate right here. So I'm just gonna slit it on top. There's a little gap in there. So it'll be like that. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but I don't know. Just doing that for extra measures. So lines up perfect. And just gonna bolt it up. that's how I'm setting it up. Washer, the lock washer, and then same thing on top. It's going to be the washer, the lock washer, and then the nut will go on top. So I take that back. I'm not gonna put these, the washer and the lock washer on top. I'm just gonna put it in the bolt just like that. I'm sure it'll be good enough. And then this is the nut that's gonna go on top. And I'm using the 1 1/4 inch long bolt. Alrighty. Alright, so there she is, all bolted up. Should be pretty sturdy. Hopefully it'll do its job. But yeah, oh yeah, it should do its job just fine. So that pretty much wraps it up. Like I said, can't really do anything to the car yet. It's still on jack stand. I have to wait for my chassis mount to come in before I can even do anything with the splitter. But until then, I guess this is it. So I suppose I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.